a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. So do keep in mind the HPBA is open to the general public. It is a paid fee to get in, but it's an awesome place to come to check out hearth products, barbecue products, fireplaces. Really definitely worth the trip. The show kind of ranges on the location. Next year it will be in New Orleans for 2020. So if you are in New Orleans, come check it out. The outdoor booths are some of my favorite because this is where everyone is grilling up food. People grilling up steaks, sausages. So, if you are hungry at the show, this is definitely the place to come. Pizza ovens, these guys are making pizzas. You have people making all kinds of delicious things. Here we have the Fire Chief booth. Fire Chief is produced by High C. On display here, this is their indoor model. This is going to be the Fire Chief 1000. This is going to be their most affordable model, and this model is now EPA 2020 certified, which is currently one of the only 2020 approved models at this time. This green model is going to be their outdoor unit. The outdoor unit is available in 2 different sizes, and this is expected to be EPA 2020 certified by the middle of 2019. So this is the Napoleon booth. Napoleon has gas, wood, electric, and pellet products. So they have one of the largest booths at the show, and a lot of really cool products here. This is the Olympia booth. They have quite an impressive display of their chimney products. So Olympia sells the Ventus chimney pipe, which is our #1 brand of chimney. I love Olympia products because they are 100% manufactured in the United States. They are actually rated to Canadian standards, which is going to be a higher grade of standard than what the US standard is on chimney pipe. They also have a limited lifetime warranty. SBI is the parent company for Osborne, PSG Caddy products, Valcor fireplaces, and Enerzone. So they have quite a nice display here, and really like SBI products. We do quite a lot. Featured here is going to be the PSG Caddy. This is a pretty cool unit. This is an EPA approved unit, and the Max Caddy actually has the ability to heat domestic hot water as well. Here we have the Stoll Industries booth. So Stoll customizes primarily in custom fireplace doors. They have a lot of unique door options available. These can be ordered with different styling features. You can see different handle options here, and they can also be custom ordered to fit your size. Supreme does zero clearance wood fireplaces. They also have wood inserts as well as a pretty cool freestanding see-through stove. So Supreme is a family-owned business. They are manufactured in Canada, and honestly they are one of my favorite and easiest companies to deal with.
If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.